This quick introduction to the FazeDock product line was filmed at a Hamfest in Orlando earlier this year.
So Chris, kind of show us what we've got here today.
Sure. Jason, what we do is, for people who are working with Raspberry Pi, Arduino, microcontrollers, or single boards, we assume that you have the electronics, and we've developed adapters that will let you mount your electronics and then set them into our grid here in exactly the right place so that you can wire up your project quickly and easily. So you can see, once you put it in, it stays there until you take it out, which means you can move it around to optimize that. We designed it to be robust, and in fact what we did was we designed a cover that snaps onto it so that when you do want to transport it, it clicks on very easily. You can slide that right into the backpack, put it up on the shelf, hang it on the wall. When you're ready to go back to work, just snap the cover off and away you go.
Now that's pretty sharp. So what does the little baseboard here cost?
So this is a typical project right here. And so you've got about 5 adapters on there. A kit that comes with a base and enough adapters to do that and a cover is right at 80 bucks out the door.
That's not bad at all.
Exactly.
Not bad at all.
Now that you've seen the solution, we want to show you our manufacturing capabilities. Here's our laser cutting the flat blanks that an automated line bender will form into the base. One operator can run the laser and the line benders concurrently, so production is very efficient. This is the main shop with our Vertical Machining Center, or VMC, the knee mill, and our 28-ton Arberg injection molding machine. We'll tour them all in slightly more detail. The VMC is used to produce plastic handles for the integrated organizer, which you can see here. It's a popular component of the workbench system for STEM Ed. Here you can see the VMC cutting a pair of those handles. In addition to shaping plastic, the VMC is a powerful asset as we build injection mold cavities. Our injection molding machine is key to scaling production. It allows us to mass produce higher quality connectors and adapters in less than 30 seconds each, where 3D printing the same part takes an hour or more. We're leveraging my experience as a professional mold maker to make this possible in a timely and cost-effective way. We're proud to bring manufacturing back to the US and excited to work with NC IDEA to make it happen more quickly.